today?
Malibu 2013. We bought the engine from the junkyard. But we opened it up, check and make sure everything's okay. Look how nice and clean the engine is. It looks pretty clean, right? 50,000 mileage on this engine. But I always check it, make sure no sludge. But I had to change the timing belt. We did that. So now
Did you have to replace any tensioners or anything?
No, nothing.
So when you opened it up, you see that you needed to change the timing belt?
No, I had to change the not the timing belt. The timing cover was different, so I had to change it.
The timing cover.
Yeah. You see how this one got a mount right here?
Uh-huh.
The mine did not have a mount. That's why I had to change it.
You can still reuse the engine.
Yeah, you can still use the engine. That's not a problem. All you had to do is just replace the timing belt. I mean, timing cover. You see how that is? I'll show you. You don't have the hook there. See, this one don't have
That's
that
the
thing.
old one.
Yeah.
So you're going to put that back on?
No, this is the old one. I took it off from that engine. This is
The used one?
yeah, used one.
Okay.
I'll put this one now.
All right, and what year is this car you're putting it in?
2013 Malibu,
And what size engine is this?
2.5 liters.
And what happened to the other engine?
The plug broke inside the cylinder head. So it was too much work to change the head. I might as well just change the engine. You know what I mean?